So I just cut a 45-minute hassle down to 10 minutes. Because I don't know if you've seen one of my last videos where I was on a site and there was a cart not being used in a storage room. So I just asked the janitor if I could use it. And he said, yeah. So the lesson there is like, don't be afraid to ask these guys to use things. They're blue collar guys just like us, and they'll let you use it. But in this instance, this building, we usually have to park down there and then go back around the building up a hill to a porch, because this is a building where a bunch of people work, offices and things. So when we deliver during the day, we can't go in there. But right now it's 7:40 and I was supposed to be here between 2 and 3, but I had my kid had some appointments or whatever. But anyways, if I came between then, I'd have to go the long way. But because it's late at night, there's a guy back there in the kitchen working on a stove, fixing it. So I was able to go through this door right out to the back porch. I had wheels to just wheel everything. So it took 10 minutes instead of 30 to 45. Huge time saver. I had to move some rugs out of the way, but still, even, saved tons of time. So the lesson is, don't be afraid to ask these blue collar guys, maintenance, janitor, whatever. Just ask them if you can go through the building or if you can use their cart or whatever. They will say yes. They're just like us. They're just workers like us. We're on the same team, and they're more than willing to say yes and sometimes even help you out. So that's the lesson. Don't be afraid to ask. Thanks for watching.